Well, 2002 Durango, or I mean, sorry, 99 Durango. First, the blinkers were last summer. Like they would blink like 4 or 5 times and then go off, 4 or 5 times and go off. Then it was fine all winter. Then I had some other problems going on. Then all of a sudden the turn signals went out altogether. Well, took a chance, bought this relay. 16 bucks, well this is the old one. 16 bucks from AutoZone. And on the 99, here's your fuse panel. It's back on the back side of that, way up in there. I'll see if I can get a picture of it.
The new one's black. I got a alarm system and right there. See that little black? There it is. That little black, I drew an arrow on it so I knew which way it would face when I squeezed my hand back up in there. But that's it. So if your problem's having your blinkers, turn signals are going off and on, but your hazard still works, it's the same relay. That little relay is back there. Different model, years, are in different places. But that's where it's at. And I got pretty big paws, so I was able to get in there. It took about 10-15 minutes to get the old one out and the new one in. And I got lucky and it slipped right in. So that's it. You don't have to take the light assembly out or nothing. And just to show you, he's blinking good now. Hopefully that solves all my other problems. That's it. Good luck.